right, man, Cam. Today we have this bounce house we're gonna put together, right?
Yeah, so excited.
All right, let's go. All right, so this is the box it comes in. Let's go ahead and start taking everything out of the box. Inside the box, you get the inflatable water slide bounce house itself, the water hose kit, some stakes, a carrying bag, some more stakes, instructions, some patches, and the blower motor. Here's everything laid out. The next thing to do is to unfold and unroll the bounce house. Next thing to do is to attach the blower motor to the bounce house hose. There are two hoses, a short one and a long one. Make sure you tie up the short one, otherwise the air will just go right out as it comes in. Also, you may be wondering, why am I using this motor opposed to the light green one that it came with? That's because this one came off a previous bounce house that we had, and it's already used. They're both rated the same, so we figured we're going to use the new one as a backup. But I did test the new one. It's the exact same. It works perfect. I just figured, why not have a backup? Next up, go ahead and plug in the blower. This is the really fun part. Turn on the blower and watch the bounce house inflate, and watch the kids get really happy. Total inflation time is about 35 seconds. From there are 7 spots along the bottom where you can anchor this thing to the ground with these stakes. I told Jess to bring me a hammer. She brought me a hatchet. So this is what I'm going to use. But yeah, use the hammer to hammer the stakes down into the ground along the bounce house. Now we're going to connect the water hose to the water hose system, and we're going to install the water hose along the bounce house. You can do this in reverse order too. You can install it around the bounce house and then connect it to the water hose. I just decided to do it this way. At the end of each sprinkler, there's a number. You just match that number up with the Velcro spot on the bounce house itself, and that's how you know which sprinkler goes where. As you're doing it, there's Velcro spots all around this bounce house, top and bottom, to manage the hose system. So make sure you Velcro the hose to the spots where it goes to prevent the hose from getting all tangled up. By the way, you only have to install the hose once. It should stay Velcroed in place. From here, it's all set and it's ready to go. You can use this thing dry or wet. I just wanted to show you how it looks dry. It's very functional. The slide, climbing wall, bounce area, it's all functional without water. You can also add balls to this thing if you'd like. But where it really comes to life at is when you turn on the water. So let's turn on the water. Now let's add kids. Overall, the kids and I enjoyed this thing a lot. It's easy to set up, easy to use, and it's fun. You can use it wet or dry. So yeah, lots of fun. Recommended for ages 3 to 12, maximum weight 300 pounds. And for more information on this product, I will put an Amazon affiliate link in the description. Take care. I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.